In this exercise, we will see how we can change the arrow size and the style of the arrow in the 2D drawing of the SolidWorks. This is a simple part model. This is a simple part model. In this, we will understand how the dimension line arrowhead size can be increased or decreased and the style of the arrow. So this is a simple part model. I take the drawing for this. New drawing. OK. I select the size of the sheet. Suppose I select the A3 ISO sheet. OK. We can, if we go in the task, this is the task pane. Go in the view palette. This is the part is available here. If this part doesn't come here, if the part doesn't come here, you can browse from here also. You can browse from here also. So these are the different views. These are the different views of the part in the view palette. This is the front view. This is the top view. This is the bottom view, and this is the isometric. Okay. Suppose I dimension it. Part dimension it this one. Also this one. Okay. Suppose I want to change the, I zoom it. If I want to change the arrowhead size, this arrowhead, this is the arrowhead, and this is the style of the arrow. Also, the style of the arrow. How can we? This is the arrowhead, and the arrowhead. There are the different styles of the arrow. So how can we control this thing? We go in the this setting option, document property, dimension. This, if we come in the upper portion, this is the dimension. This is the arrowhead. Arrowhead. Suppose I take this dimension 1.75. 1.75. This is the dimension of the. This is the height of this arrowhead. This is the height of the arrowhead, and this is the. If I take this thing, suppose this height. This is the arrowhead length. This is the arrowhead length. I change it 5 mm, and this is the total length, including the line. Arrowhead plus line. This length is, suppose I make it. Suppose I make it 8, and the style also change it. Suppose I take the style, this one, this style I take. So I have changed the height of the arrow 1.75. This is the height of the arrowhead. 5 mm is the length of the arrowhead, and this is 8 mm is the total length. Line plus arrowhead, and OK. The arrowhead style changes. Arrowhead style changes and size also increases. In this way, we can control the arrowhead size. Suppose we take another example, another dimension. We take, suppose this dimension. Suppose we take this dimension. Okay. I zoom it. Again, I go in this option. Document properties. Dimension. Suppose I read this, take the 2 mm, or this take 6 mm, or this take 10 mm. This is the 2 mm is the height of the arrowhead, 6 mm is the length of the arrowhead, and this 10 is the total length, including length of the line plus arrowhead. And I change, suppose this time I change the style of the arrow. I take this arrow. I take this arrow. And this, you see the length and height changes and the arrow style changes. In this way, we can control the arrowhead style, and the height of the arrow in the 2D drawing of the SolidWorks. I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.